mailbox.
What you doing, Cam?
I'm just reading.
What?
I'm just reading pillows.
You reading?
Good.
What are you doing?
Place.
What word is that?
Place.
How do you spell it? How do you spell plate?
P.
You don't have to cover it.
P-L-A-T-E.
Plate.
Plate. Apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E.
Very good.
Cake. C-A-K-E.
Cake.